Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another Creatify 101 tutorial with me, Nia, and I'm so excited to be talking about one of my personal favorite features of Creatify, and that is creating digital twins. Alongside Creatify's huge library of avatars to choose from, we give you the opportunity to also turn yourself into an avatar. Content creators, this one is for you. Saving time on both film and budget, you are able to take a single photo of yourself or somebody else, and it takes minutes to upload and turn yourself into a digital twin for any content purposes you might need. I'm so excited to walk you through this. Now let's get into it. All right, so we're back here on Creatify's product homepage, and in order for us to create our digital twin, we're gonna be navigating to the very top here where it says Avatar Video. Now, if we remember from our first tutorial, we can either choose from our avatar library, or to the right, upload an image of yourself or another person. Now, what's so great about this is all the action items that are in tandem with the image that you upload. Now, I'll get into this a little bit more in just a second. For now, we're gonna use an image of myself, and we're gonna go ahead and hit upload an image and use this image right here and hit open. Okay, so we're here on our scripting screen, where if you couldn't tell, it looks very similar to how we would script our templated avatars, but there is one minor change to look out for. If we look below here, our image upload, we can see the text field for avatar prompt. Now, this allows us to edit granularities in our digital twin, all the way from different gestures, emotions, and even actions. If we navigate right below this text field, we also have a prompt guidance scale. And what exactly does this mean? This essentially means how closely your avatar will follow your prompt. It's best to keep this at a mid-level because we want this to be as natural as possible, but also still following our prompt guidelines. All right, so let's go ahead and input my prompt that I have prepared. And let's go through it. So I would like a professional creator speaking clearly to the camera with confident posture. I want minimal hand gestures, a calm facial expression, friendly but informative tone like a product demo, and make eye contact and nod occasionally while explaining. Now, while this section is optional, another pro tip of working with your digital twin is actually providing as much detail as you possibly can in your avatar prompt to get the most accurate and quality results. Amazing. So now that our avatar prompting is done, let's go into scripting. As mentioned in our previous tutorials before, scripting is ultra customizable in Creatify, allowing you to take full reins on crafting the persona of your avatar as well as the messaging. Creating a digital twin means infinite possibility when it comes to content creation, especially as it relates to different platforms you wish to promote yourself on. Now, today we're going to be exploring a little bit with upload audio, as opposed to us inputting a script directly. And I'm going to show you this live to show you how well Creatify will sync your audio with your digital twin. Alright, so let's go ahead and click record audio, and upon clicking, we have a pop-up that also gives us best practices when recording your own audio. Ensure you are recording in a quiet environment, and your avatar will match your pitch and accent as closely and as seamlessly as possible. Alright, let's film our own. Hi, my name is Nia, and these are my new earrings. I'm so excited to show them off to everybody, and I can't wait to see what you think. Bye! So we're all recorded, and as you can see, we offer the option to make it as easy to re-record as many times as you need to. I think I'm pretty happy with this audio, so let's go ahead and click on Use this audio. As you can see, it's populated the upload audio section with the ability to re-record at any point you feel. Alright, so now that our recording is all done, I usually love to put captions into my content or my videos. So let's go ahead and navigate to the bottom where it says no caption, and let's choose tagline bold for our video today. And let's hit confirm. Now that we have our caption all prepared, I feel pretty happy with our avatar prompt, our audio, as well as our caption, and I do want to up the quality of our avatar video with 1080p. Awesome. So now that we're done, let's go ahead and hit generate video and see what Creatify comes up with. Our video is now generating, and we're gonna wait between 5 to 10 minutes before we see the results. I'm so excited to see what Creatify's come up with, and I can't wait to show you here in just a bit. Okay, our video has generated and it looks great. Let's go ahead and take a look now. My name is Nia, and these are my new earrings. I'm so excited to show them off to everybody, and I can't wait to see what you think. It is so cool to see myself as a digital twin, and I think the results are pretty impressive. What's even more exciting about having a digital twin is how you can also turn this into a template. Creatify makes it so easy, yet again, to unify all your assets across different spaces within Creatify, allowing you to save this as a template and reuse it whenever you need to. As you can see, creating a digital twin has so much value. From the ability to capture gestures, emotions, and expressions, it is also a way to grow and create content for your brand at a much faster scale. I'm so excited to see what you come up with and your digital twins, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe for more tutorial content. Until the next one, I'll see you soon. Bye!